Hi, it's Jess here from Nigezza.co.uk. Simply stamping up. Simply stamping up? It's because I'll be doing simply stamping cards. Oh God. And I'll be videoing them all in the same day. You might be able to tell by the inky hands I've got. Okay, so yes, I'm a stamping up demonstrator. Yes, I'll be doing some simply stamping cards. So I've just been taking some extra thick whisper white, cut in half, scored in half to make a standard card, and I've done some basically I'm doing one layer cards, although this one is actually going to be a slightly sort of step up from what I've been doing. So I need my stamping mat because I am continuing to use the lovely beautiful Bouquet. Just stick those back in there. So I love this set. It's very new to me. Got it free in a prize patrol run by Sam from Pootles. And yeah, I love it. I've been wanting it for ages. Great starter stamp set. Lots and lots of sentiments, lots and lots of flowers. I'm just going to use some of the flower heads. I'm not going to use sentiments this time. I am using the Happy Birthday thin lit dies. I've cut a black one, I cut a white one, so I'm not quite sure which one I want to use. So this is the Happy Birthday Thin Lit, so it's just one die, cuts out your Happy Birthday card. Great statement there. I mean, you could just do that, couldn't you, really? But we're not going to do that. So I am just going to use Memento ink, and I've got my flowers mounted. So I'm using these 4 flowers, which is that one, that one, that one, and that one for this project. And actually I'm kind of recreating probably my most watched video. I can't remember how many views it's got, about 10,000 I think, might be more, I haven't looked for ages. And I did this before I was a Stamping Up demonstrator years and years ago, with a different make of stamp, which it was just flower heads, and so I thought, oh, I can do that again, but with these. I've done different versions. Some were just black ink and some with different colours. So what I do with each stamp, I stamp it once in full strength, then I stamp it off to get second strength, and then stamp again to get the third sort of strength. So I go 1, 2, 3, and I'm going to create a sort of circle . With it, and then we'll do this one and just do the same thing. So I'm getting a sort of a wreath of flowers. I'm not sure that it needs that one. I think that one might be a little bit too big in it, so I'm not going to do it. I'm going to stick with those 3 like that, and I might just build it out to the corner a little bit more. Actually, we'll go in off-piste, doing something a little bit different. So I'm actually going to fill the card with flowers. And then we've just got the sentiment in the middle, I think. So changing it up a little bit from the original. Might link the original down below, so you can check that out. I might actually come in now with this big one around the edges, fill in the gaps. I may even fill in the middle. Now I've started. Now, decision time. I might fill that middle in. Fill that middle in and put the white on top. That's what I'm gonna do. Quite often start with one project in my head and then make something completely different. Looking now where there's some gaps. So I think the black will get lost and the white will just be perfect. So get those out of the way. So there we have it. My camera cut out because it was full and I didn't realise, but all you missed I think was me sticking the happy birthday on there. So hope you liked that. Didn't end up being what I wanted it to be at the beginning, but hey ho, these things happen and I actually think I prefer that. Okay, so all the details will be on my blog, nigezza.co.uk, and if you want to pop over to Stamping for All and join in the challenge, that'll be fabulous. Okay, see you again soon. Don't forget to like and subscribe, please. Bye.